This morning, deserted, eerily quiet streets, not just in Rome, also in Paris, Madrid, and in central London. Europe is now the epicenter of the global pandemic. More people are dying of COVID-19 here than anywhere else. And hospitals now preparing for the worst. In Italy, the deadliest day so far in any country. 627 people died Friday, pushing the country's death toll to over 4,000, with more than 47,000 total cases. In Bergamo, in northern Italy, Sky News gained access to an ICU there. The doctor had advice for the rest of the world.
What I would suggest is just shut down to stop all the outbreak and not coming in this kind of situation.
Here in the UK, finally catching up to its neighbors, closing schools and announcing a sweeping social shutdown. On Friday night, bars, restaurants, gyms and theaters all going dark, but not quite a full lockdown.
You may think that you're invincible, but there is no guarantee that you will get mild symptoms.
The biggest fear, the same as back in the US, overwhelming the healthcare system. But there is hope. It comes from the numbers.
I'm Janice Mackey-Freire in Beijing, where the number of locally transmitted cases has now dropped to 0. That's partly because of the measures that have been in place for a couple of months here, like quarantine. People like me who've just come back to China need to spend 14 days in isolation.
But hope also comes from the applause. In city after city this week, grateful nations cheering for their healthcare workers.